Trampoline installation. A swimming pool is not the only way to have fun when you have a big yard. A trampoline can cheer up all the family members, keep them busy for long hours, and provide physical exercise for everyone. The safest trampoline is the one you see on the screen because it's in ground. When jumping, you don't expose yourself to additional danger, risking falling over the edge from a height, as is the case with above-ground trampolines. Another advantage of this design is that it's quick and easy to install. In this case, special equipment was used. The excavator digs a perfectly round hole in the ground. The metal frame, which serves as the basis for the trampoline, is assembled by the workers right on the lawn. When the frame is assembled, the structure is placed inside the pit. The soil is distributed to encircle the frame and provide stability. Finally, the last step is the installation of the jumping zone on the springs. By the way, the material is not elastic. The trampoline works thanks to the springs. Due to the fact that the fabric needs to be drawn very tight, the procedure is usually performed by a specially trained team.